Welcome to Work Smart.
Greetings to all my esteemed subscribers. If you are just seeing my face, you're welcome to this family. As many of us who are familiar with TikTok, and if you are just new on TikTok, or maybe you don't even know what TikTok is all about, TikTok does not allow Nigerians and some other countries to be part of the Creator Reward Program, which is one of the monetization parts that allows you to earn on your content views. Unlike TikTok accounts from other eligible countries, accounts from Nigeria and other restricted countries do not earn money from content views. Yes, there are different methods people use in getting these international TikTok accounts. Some people who have family or friends in these eligible countries, we ask them to open it and send them the login details. Another method is using VPN, and this one is limited when creating more than one account. And another one, which people are not talking about, is the one I will be telling you today. The one you can create without VPN. In this video, I will show you how to create your own international TikTok account without using a VPN. Yes, you heard me. You won't be needing any VPN to create your own international TikTok account. And you will be done creating it in minutes, regardless of your location. Yes, you don't need to be located in any of these eligible countries to create an account with them. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So now, you go to your app menu, go to your app menu, look for TikTok, click on TikTok, allow it to load. You click on TikTok, go to this your profile button, click on it, this profile button, click on the profile button here. So you click on it. So after clicking on the profile button, you go to this three lines up here, and go to the three line, you click on it. So you click on it, go to settings and privacy, click on it. So you go to free up space, you clear your cache, you clear the cache, then you go back, you now go to this lady, this name here, you click on it, you click on add account, so you see this account located in Nigeria, that is where we are going. You click on this Nigeria, so you click on it, so it will now take us to country where you want the account to be located. So you will now pick out of those 7 countries, but I would prefer you picking UK, because this is the reason why I asked you to pick UK is when you are about to withdraw your money, so that you will not have issues. You go and pick USA. USA can be asking for SSN number, which you don't have, but UK will not ask for anything for those kind of a thing. So click UK, because that's what majority of people are registering with. So go to UK, look for UK. So you look for UK. So you better to pick UK so that you don't have a big issue when you are about to withdraw. So you will see the account is now located in United Kingdom. Can you see? So that is where it is. So you now continue with email. Now click on continue with email. Don't continue with number, for continue with email. So you click on continue with email. So you now enter your email address. So you use the email address that you have not registered any TikTok account with. If you don't have register your email. So you click on send code. You enter your password. So you enter your password. You enter your password. You click on next. So a code will have been sent to your email. So you go to your email to copy the code. Open your email, your Gmail. So you copy the code. You copy the code. So you copy the code. Then you see, you bring it here, paste it, and you see it's showing. So you register your birthday, whatever birthday you want to use. So just register it. Register the birthday you want to use. And register your birthday. Click on next. So this verification code has expired. So then we send code. Another code will have been sent to my email. I think it's the network. So you have to go back to my Gmail. So this is another code. So I'll copy the code now. Yes, copy. I take it back to TikTok. I clear this one out and I paste this one again. So pasted it now. So you see, I will just add the name I want to give to my account. So I'm giving it WorkSmart because I'll be using this account to create tips on how you can create content. So yes, and that is all. I have my UK account ready. So you click on this profile for you to know. So for you to know if it is an international account, click on this profile. Click on the profile, you see this WorkSmart now. Yes, and I have Miss WorkSmart. Go to these 3 lines, you click on it for you to know. So you see this TikTok studio. You see this balance. This is how you click on the balance. Click on the balance. Click on the balance. It's loading the network. So you see pants. So for you to know this is a UK TikTok account. So that's how you can know it. Another way is you go to this your profile, you click on it, you go to TikTok Studio. Click on TikTok Studio, you will now see this creator reward program. You see this creator reward program. That is where you will get paid for creating your content. So this one is not available on Nigeria TikTok account. So every creator account, every content you are making on Nigeria account, you will not be rewarded. But this one, you see the creator reward account, you will start after getting to the eligible. The criteria, you start making money with your content. So that's it, and you now have your UK account. So that's it. You have your UK account without having anybody in UK, without using any VPN. You have your UK account here. So that's all. That's it. And that's all. You have your own international TikTok account. You can see it's easy. You can now go and create your content and start earning money when you are eligible for it. Wait. Let us calm down now. Let's take a deep breath because I know you are so eager to go and create your own international TikTok account. But before you go, let me tell you there are some important things you should know after opening your account. Some things you'll be needing to gather your follower quickly, and some important tips I have discovered you will need when creating your content with this international TikTok account. Since you are not physically located in those eligible countries, you will need these tips and they are essential. So for you to stay up to date with these juicy tips and tricks I've discovered, be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more juicy tips on content creating that I have discovered. And please, if you found this content helpful, please show your support by liking it. It only takes a second and it won't take you anything. It's not taking any time from you. Just click on the like button and that's all. Thank you in advance. And please also share with your friends and family who are also content creators so that they can start earning on their content using UK or international TikTok accounts. Stay tuned for more exciting updates.